A very good evening to all of you friends. A very good evening to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on Legal Booster series. In this particular series, we bring to you the most important legal reasoning questions for those preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. So a very good evening to each and every one of you out there. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. In this series, we bring to you the most important and the most crucial questions which students who are preparing for CLAT, ALIT and other host of examination should and must know. So let's begin with today's session. But before we begin, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a fantastic offer, a flat 25% discount on your online classroom program. So be a winner this winter. So get flat 25% off on your online classroom program by using the code WINTER25. So by using the code WINTER25, you get a flat 25% discount on your online classroom program. BYJU'S Exam Prep is very delighted to announce that we are hosting a mega workshop for Maharashtra CET entrance examination. So, guys, if you are one of them who are preparing for Maharashtra CET, get each and everything clear about Maharashtra CET exam. There will be a mega workshop on Know All About Maharashtra CET 5-year law program. It will be conducted on 5th of December at 8 p.m. So definitely join in. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course batch 6 for CLAT 2023. So if you are preparing for CLAT 2023, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you this fabulous comprehensive course batch 6. In this batch, you get Build CLAT 2023 concepts from scratch for beginners, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, expert guidance by NLU alumni provided until the day of your exam, and 200 plus live classes based on the latest CLAT pattern along with interactive quizzes. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, SLAT, BLIT, Jamia LLB 2022. In this course, you get to reach your dream law college with the best study plan, monthly e-magazine on legal reasoning and current affairs. All topics will be covered through live classes and quizzes, and there will be one-to-one mentorship guidance, and above all, daily quizzes to boost your speed and accuracy. So guys, let's begin. Up on your screen will be a particular passage. Read the passage carefully, because in CLAT, you will be provided with a similar passage. Understand what the passage is trying to say, interpret it, identify the foundation of this particular passage, the ingredients of this passage, and after that, you have to answer certain questions based on this passage. So let's begin. I hope that by now you have read with this particular slide. Moving on to the next slide. I hope you guys are done reading with this slide also. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done reading with this particular slide also? Moving on to question number 1. It is the District Court of Punjab that ordered the arrest of Mr. Sidhu under the Indian Penal Code. Now, he has filed a habeas corpus petition under 32 before the Supreme Court. Can he be freed? Now, he has not been illegally arrested. He has been arrested under orders of a district court. So, a writ cannot be filed. So, no, as the writ could be refused as the detention was under the orders of the court. Since it was a court that directed the arrest of Mr. Sidhu, henceforth, the detention cannot be illegal. Is that clear? So, the correct answer happens to be option C. Is that clear? Habeas corpus relates to illegal detention, not detention which are legal in nature. Remember that. Question number 2. Now here is a police officer who is not obeying the orders of the Supreme Court owing to some political pressure. Now, can the court order attachment of the errant police officer who is not behaving as per the directions of the court? Yes, the correct answer is C. Refusal of an order under habeas corpus can make a person liable to have his property seized. That's what the passage says. So the correct answer happens to be option C. Okay. Moving on to question number 3. So during emergency, when emergency was declared, here is a man who was spreading hate speech and seditious slogan to instigate the public, and he was arrested without a warrant. Now, does Article 32 or Article 36, Article 226, right to constitutional remedies, are they available during emergency? The correct answer is option C. No, because the writs of habeas corpus can be rejected and denied during emergency. This is a time of crisis, emergency. Is that clear to each and every one of you? So the correct answer happens to be option C again. Okay, is that clear? Question number 4. The question over here is, can a writ petition of habeas corpus be filed by an NGO for freeing a man who has been illegally detained? The question is this: can an NGO file a writ petition of habeas corpus to free a man who has been illegally detained? Now, the court does not say that the NGO is wrong. Okay? The court rejected the plea of the NGO. Now, has the court done the right thing? The answer is no, because habeas corpus can be filed by the détenu or by anyone with sufficient knowledge of that very wrong. So the correct answer is option C. The correct answer happens to be option C. Is that clear to each and every one of you? Is that clear? So guys, if you are liking today's session, do press the like button. If you're liking today's session, do press the like button and share this video with your friends and others who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. These are very helpful. Question number 5. Now, a writ petition of habeas corpus was initially rejected by the courts. And later on, the person files another writ petition of habeas corpus where there are new evidence found. New ground included, new evidence found in favor of his client. So the correct answer is option D. Yes, as new findings are an exception to reopen a litigation of habeas corpus which was pending. These are certain new facts that has come to the knowledge. So a writ petition can be filed again. Is that clear? So the correct answer happens to be option D. So guys, are you understanding how to solve these questions? Now these questions happen to be very, very important questions, and you guys must have a good understanding of how to solve these questions. Okay? Am I clear to each and every one of you? Okay, fantastic. Moving on to the next set of questions. Please read the passage very carefully. Are we done reading with this particular slide? Are we done reading with this particular slide? Then we move on to the next slide. Read the passage very carefully. This is a very important judgment that led to the law of surrogacy in India. Okay? Are we done? Okay. The next slide. Okay, are we done? Okay, moving on to the final slide. Then we move on to the questions. Okay, let's start with question number 6. Is the couple eligible for surrogacy? The correct answer is option B. They are not legally eligible under the law for surrogacy. They are not eligible under the law for going through surrogacy in India. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Okay, they are not legally entitled to do that. That's the correct answer, option B. And if you have read the passage carefully, you know that option B is the right answer. Okay, moving on to question number 7. So the surrogacy law does not only talk about an infertile mother or an infertile father. It is gender neutral. Now, after 10 years of marriage, they do not have a child, and one of them has been found to be sterile. Can they go for surrogacy? Yes, the correct answer is B. They can go ahead because they are eligible for this. Eligibility. See, you should know how to solve these questions. If you know how to solve these questions, then things become very, very easy. Okay? Then it becomes very, very easy, guys. Or else it will be difficult for you to solve these questions. Am I clear to each and every one of you? So when you are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination, you are going to get passage-based question. You have to understand the passage carefully, know what the passage is trying to say, and then start solving. Unless and until you have read the passage carefully, you cannot solve the questions that follows the passage. Question number 8 is up there on your screen. The question is, can they go ahead with surrogacy? And the correct answer is, they cannot go ahead with surrogacy. Look at the age. Look at the eligibility criteria for surrogacy. They do not fulfill it. Is that clear? Option A is the right answer. Moving on to question number 9. Yes, please tell me the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer is option C. They shall be declared ineligible for surrogacy process. They are ineligible for this process. Very good. Some of you got the right answer. Very, very good. Very good. Question number 10. Current position of surrogacy in India. The most important thing is the fact that the couple must have a certificate of essentiality and from a concerned authority which would ensure that the couple is infertile. So option A is the right answer. There has to be a certificate in this regard. Have I made myself clear to each and every one of you? Okay. So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive preparation course in bilingual batch 4 for CLAT 2022 aspirants. In this course, you get to learn in the language you understand, both Hindi and English. There will be a weekly performance test. All topics will be covered through live classes and quizzes, and there will be faculty counseling and guidance session to help you students. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a comprehensive preparation course, batch 4 for CLAT 2022. In this particular course, you build your CLAT 2022 concepts from scratch for beginners, expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment tests to gauge performance at regular interval, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. So friends, with this we come to the end of today's session. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care. See you again. Wish you a very happy weekend in advance. Thank you.